Yes. 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 New surroundings. Yes. New horizons. Yes. And that is only possible because my starboard engine is rebuilt, repainted, and entered the engine bay just a couple of days ago.
Henk-Jan, high five! Gefeliciteerd!
Oh man, I am such a happy sailor. So, Lady Liselot is moored on a canal in the city Waddinxveen. I will go a little bit closer because there's an enormous storm going on in the Netherlands right now. And that was something. Because man, when I came towards Waddinxveen, it really stormed enormously. And I even lost one camera, the starboard camera, during docking near the lock. Oh, it was bam! But that is footage for another video. Yeah, because a couple of weeks ago I edited some footage already because I had no idea if I would be up and running again around Christmas. And I wanted to share some footage for sure. And when I was on anchor in Nature Reserve Biesbosch, something happened with a neighbor. And it looks like this. I told you about the tidal effects of the area where I am at the moment, the Biesbosch, and within 150 meters I hear a boat making a roaring noise. And I think that I will go out and help him. It is stuck on the sandbanks because of low tide at the moment. We will start the engines. I also tried to contact him on VHF 10. There is no response. And now I have to zoom in to see that I am not in trouble. What can I do? The only thing that I can do, because he is in the 120 area, yeah, and I think that his draft is even smaller. Awkward to grab my camera and film them, so I will do it with my PTZ cams. And the lady said, yeah, we have 3 days and we can wait until the water is high. And I can see a lot of sand coming up where I am, where I just was a couple of minutes ago. Okay. Well, there is no specific spot where I want to drop anchor. And like I said in the other video, I have to take in account that because of the wind shift, it is possible that I have my stern 180 degrees the other side to the other side. So I still have to take in account that I will drop anchor in the 4 meter
area. So 3 meters at the moment at low tide. Okay, I will go back a little, and whilst going back I will drop anchor. Alright then. Okie do, okie do, okie do. Well, I must confess, this is a typical Henk-Jan action. The moment that I see somebody in a situation that I think, oh, perhaps he needs help, I start taking action, and nobody asked for it. Because the lady said, oh, we just wait for high water, high tide. Oh man. And then I pulled up the anchor and I went to see them, to see if I could help, and it was not necessary. There was nobody on the boat waving with his hands, help, help, help. There was no distress call, there was nothing. And I was already taking action, seeing if I could help people. Yeah, I've been in this situation before. And I wonder, why do I tell this to you? Well, this is how I am wired. And of course, I could have waited until somebody waved and shouted, help, help, help. But yeah, I took action. Well, in the meanwhile, we are plus 2.5 hours further in time. The neighbor who was stuck on the sand is trying to release himself. And he moves on 5, 6, 7 meters and then is stuck again, and he goes back. And I told him that on his port side, approximately 5, 6 to 10 meters to his port side, it's 2.5 meters. But he only continues straight on. Well, so they called a friend with another boat, because when I waved at him, he said he pointed out to the neighbor behind us, and he made a sign as if they called him for help. Driving your boat in the Biesbosch, you need a depth transducer for sure, and you need maps where you can see the depth. But perhaps this guy has been here 100 times before and he knows his way in the Biesbosch, and now he had bad luck. You never know, you never know. Well, anyway, we have some footage, and I wanted to share that with you. So, happy ending for the neighbor, and this is the end of the film also.
And this footage proves that it is always good to have charge available for the area where you drive your boat. But like I said in the footage, perhaps this guy was there for the 100th time and he just had bad luck. I have not bad luck, because you are with me in this video and I have Lady Liselot up and running again. So for now, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me the thumbs up, and if you have not yet already, please subscribe, because the guys from YouTube would love to know if you like the content that I produce. For now, thank you very much, and do I see you in another video? Alright then, bye bye!